What is up, boo? Today's video, I have no idea what today's video is going to be, but guess what? Maybe it's in the title, maybe it's not, or maybe it's Maybelline. We have seats for the Integra. Yes. Let me show you them bad hoes right now. Shout out to the homie K-Bros and shop Zosh MFG. So I can reimburse myself for buying some new seats. Yes, I gotta fix that thing over there in the corner. Yeah, that's a little burnt, but we're gonna say it's titanium. We're gonna say it's limited edition. Along with that one, limited edition. But yes, I picked up some bride seats, and no, these are not authentics. That's why I picked them up. Super facts! I'm poor, bro. Like, I'm very much still poor. One day when I get the views, we gonna get some authentics in this bag, girl, you heard? But until then, I'm about to wild out like Nick Cannon. Okay, so here is my passenger seat. It's a 32-way, so, you know, can't have the big bodies in the car, dog. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. One day I'll be able to have the big bodies in the car, but until then, bro, I gotta rock out with what I got. You hear me? I picked up these seats for 400 bucks. Here I have my PCI seat bracket, which is the greatest thing you could buy. Yo, Pro Car Innovations, aka PCI, I love them. I love them to death. They're just fantastic company. So I don't have to order any rails or anything. I just gotta, hopefully these work. I hope these work. Let's find out. Sorry for the terrible lighting, but yeah, they do work. They both in. Luckily enough, the how big the hex head is, it acts like a washer, so that's cool. But yeah, it works. Bolts up. Well, I mean, there's a gap there, but I mean, right there. But it is what it is. Now, sorry for the lighting. I should have did this outside, but I need to throw on my YouTube card, bro. I'm just trash. I am honestly trash. But y'all love me. Well, some of y'all. I lack love in my life. I really do. Okay, so I got the seat in. And I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy that vinyl fabric paint, that black vinyl, like what I did my carpet with. Even though the carpet looks trash, but the back looks good. But yeah, I think I'm gonna paint this black so I can, you know, match the rest of the car. So I'm probably paint those black. Probably do it tomorrow. This one's like purple. The reason why you get this discoloration is because of sun fading. So, you know, it's normal. I just don't like it. It just looks kind of ugh. But yeah, man, seats in there look pretty good, man. Look pretty good. I haven't had a bride in this car. Well, bride. Sorry. Well, it's fake, so it's a bride. Haven't had a bride seat, bruh seat in a minute. But yeah, that is my car. I can't put the passenger seat in because I don't have a seat rail. I got the mounting, I just don't have a seat rail. So I'm gonna order a PCI. I'm hit up Brian. Gotta spend more money. So I'm gonna order a PCI seat bracket, and then yeah, bruh, that's what I'm gonna do, bruh. That's just what I'm gonna do, bruh. All right, today is Thursday, baby. Today is prep day because tomorrow we have a track event. Yes, if it doesn't rain, which I hope it doesn't, well, I'm gonna go anyway, whatever. If it rains, it rains. I just gotta get out there, man. So tomorrow is track day event at Palm Beach International Raceway, PBIR, autocross event. So Christina has to go on. Christina has to, you know, be ready for that. But so what I'm gonna do is forward over to Fred's house and just probably knock out the oil change there. Just vibe and chill with Fred, and you know, what's it called? Tighten up loose ends on the car, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So pack up some oil, filter, forward to Fred's, and that's it. Alright, so forwarded over to Fred's house. Let's get this bad girl all jacked up in the sky, girl. And get this oil in there. While I'm here, since Fred got a nice vacuum cleaner, I might well vacuum out the interior. But the seats feel pretty good though. Fred, what's up with this gearbox? What's going on with it?
The raffle right now, man. You can win this gearbox for $30 or $1,000 cash, bro.
What?
Yeah, you got the choice.
What kind of gearbox this is, bruh?
This is
it's B series?
Nah, man, K series.
K series?
4.7 final drive
What?
LSD.
What?
6-speed shift mechanism.
Gotta have reverse lockout.
You feel me? You feel me?
Man.
$30.
$30.
You can win a gearbox.
Oh, yep, it's definitely LSD.
Or
Wow.
$1,000 cash.
Man, Fred is the plug now. House now, going to the gym, and that's just what's going on right now. If you don't like a Buddy Club exhaust, then you just did not like quality. You don't like quality sounding parts, and that's okay. Hopefully we can fix that. All right, so it's the next day. Obviously no track day. I didn't tell you guys what's going on, but registration was already filled, so right now we're at Fred's house. We're gonna go on our little weekly cruise. But before then, Fred done blessed your boy with the NRG
early birthday
bonnet.
present, bro.
Yeah, it's early.
Oh, damn, bro. I should have gave you my old ones, man. This shit's fancy. No, I'm sorry.
I won't care. That's straight. Oh, right there. Boom. The fire right there.
You got cut out and everything, bro. No, that's just one.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're installing the bonnet shocks. Oh, Fred is the GOAT, bro. I wish I had a nice car.
Iced out.
Dreads.
Fuck up, bro.
I've been iced
He
out.
got yats, bro. He yatted up, bruh.
Ice, bro.
Facts. Sponsored by a lot of people. He's like Michael Jordan, bro. That's who Fred remind me of.
Nigga over there making big moves.
Big moves, bruh. Damn, Fred, man. Damn, that dude was cool.
Why do people drive like that? I hate when people drive like that.
Like they cool as hell.
Bitch, you ain't driving a Lamborghini, man. Oh, you driving like that for, man?
Randy, you're funny,
That
bro.
shit makes me mad when people drive like that, bro.
Wow. Fred Installations. Hey, y'all check out Fred's channel. And make sure y'all enter that raffle. It's like 20 spots left. As a token of appreciation, I'm going to buy the last 20 spots. So y'all can't enter right now. All right, I just bought them. Y'all enter right now. Run that up.
Right, shit, but you still need a 10.
10 for what?
For these, to tighten these down.
Oh, it's okay.
Them
I'm
be
just-
loose anyway.
I want my shit to fly off.
This is Zosh car.
Zosh built. Zosh built garage.
No, seriously, you need a 10.
Okay, I'm gonna go get it for you. Wow.
How much the bitch go for?
Like 100, right?
Like 115.
Oh, shit.
I hook him up. I'll hit. I rev that him, and then I'll see what's up. Yeah, bruh. I got you.
Do it.
Hi. I got you, bruh.
I'm be punking your purse. You get them niggas up.
I love hit up, bruh. It's my favorite time of the day.
Lava.
I'm just playing. My bad, Fred. Oh, but it's cool when he can do it. I can't. Hey, let me. Hold on, bruh. Let me give y'all an insight on Jamaicans. Well, Fred particularly.
It's fucking lies.
Fred can say the most fishish ever.
I don't never say nothing fishy, yo.
What? Now it's look. See, I don't be filming.
No, he said top, head.
Oh yeah, he said Aki was giving away a head. I was like, what?
Full head
Fred's a fish, dog. Dang, bro, this is so cool. I'm getting a Fred built install. Damn, bruh. You know what you're doing, Whoa? Go ahead. Damn. I'm so happy right now, bro. Look at this guy. I got the one and only. I'm so blessed right now, bro.
Well, I mean, that nigga do got a clean ass EG,
He do got a clean EG, bro. And he's sponsored by Wireware. He got a Wireware digital dash, bro.
Oh my
Wireware,
God, bro.
bro. And he right hand drive, bro. With a catch can that works, dog. That's crazy, bro.
This nigga different.
Facts. One day.
And a quick release front end.
Yeah, his front end quick release,
Come
bro.
off in 3 bolts, bro.
3 bolts,
3 bolts.
bro. You the GOAT, bro.
Ego, bro. Nigga got a turbo, bro. Nigga.
Damn, he bleed that shit, bruh. He bleed Garrett, big. God damn. He got a horsepower tattoo, man. Damn, fool.
That bitch ain't working, whoa.
Yeah, I don't think that worked, Fred. Damn, my install ain't really going as planned.
I think it's finna drop like
My install ain't really going to plan right now. Like they say, Fred's the GOAT. It works. All Fred had to do, well, he came over the jeans I did, just removing the extendos. The extendos. Those right there. Go ahead and close the bonnet for him, playboy. Damn, Fred. What happened? You opened it back. You didn't want to close it? Oh, I thought you...
Oh, I closed it.
Oh. True. That's so fire, bro. That is so fire. And that's a wrap. So that is pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. This video was supposed to be a track prep style video where I get the car ready with proper stuff of what to bring to the track and stuff, for me watching others and doing my research. But well, I didn't know to go to the track you have to register online. I didn't know that. So I already bought my ticket for next Friday. So next Friday, well, next Saturday, I'll have my first ever track footage vlog uploaded. So yes, finally we're hitting the track, dog. Beautiful. It's been a long time coming. Quick update on my teeth, actually. If you don't know, I've been on this Invisalign Smile Direct Club treatment thing for the past 4 months. I finished, but I'm not satisfied. So I got a thing that they offer called refinements. If you're not happy and you want to fix more of what's going on, then do that. So back on the treatment I go, but I probably on camera it looks pretty good, but my gap isn't fully closed. My teeth isn't straight. How it was before I started, but it is what it is. That's just a quick update in case you guys want to close your gap or fix your teeth. It works. It's just, you know, I had a 4-month plan when I probably need like a 6, 7 month, 5 month plan type jig. I don't know. So that's just a quick update. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like on the video. Be sure to follow Fred on Instagram to enter his raffle. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy it, leave a like. I think I already said that. All right, I'm out. Peace.